How's it going, everybody? It's Alex here on Ultimate Slow Eagle, playing some more Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. In the last episode, we took care of exploring Planet Fastoon, and we finally got our ship, Aphelion. And I also went back to get the other skill points I missed for the ship. Weren't too terribly difficult. In Fastoon, I don't think there's a skill point there yet. Stop in Cortab because, again, no skill points. And of course, it is my birthday today. My 24th birthday. I also got the tornado launcher and upgrade a few more of my weapons a little bit more. So we're gonna head to Planet Macau. 4 gold bolts. Now I'm interested. Oh, the Voron asteroid belt. Looks like we got trouble. So L is to pilot the ship, R1 for lasers, and just to aim. That's going to be very good to have. You can also aim with L1. Some good stuff. Oh shit. And that's the first instance of Rusty Pete. The same pirate we saw in Ripped Apart. Okay. I think if you destroy all the bonus targets, you get some sort of reward. I don't remember what it is though. You're gonna need to. Thank you, help desk lady. Appreciate that. Appreciate you helping me out, helping the brother out. Show off, I wouldn't. Let's go. So it's like the ship fights in Ratchet 2. I think I like these a little bit better in this game. Alright. I think this is the only game where Clank has a little turret. That's pretty cool. I don't think so. I don't think so. routine, whole routine. That's good. That's exactly what hurting is. Okay, so 5 bonus targets, and if you destroy them all, you get a gold ball. Interesting. Okay. And we have our robot boss. This little red thing will just follow you everywhere you go. Shit. These bosses take forever to beat, though, so... Laser! Shit. Man. I haven't done this in a million years, so... I'm definitely struggling a little bit. This guy tends to play dirty, though. Okay, so this might be where my barrel roll will be useful. This down. Boom! And Minesweeper. Let's go. Alright. I guess it's for destroying several mines. Okay, now we're doing locale. So with the... I think with the level plants, the spaceship beforehand, I'm going to do them together. So we don't waste time.
Ratchet, it's Clank. I see you managed to decode my ingenious hololine. I have important information for you. Come find me in the arena.
Be there in just a moment, Quark. I might have to do a couple things first. And it's this level where there's only one arena. I believe it's only one. Cool. Gadget that's not found in spawn. Okay. Oh, this game has a version of the Trespasser, I believe. And this has the same arrow we saw in Cabalia, right?
If you plan on fighting in the arena, might we suggest sprucing up our attire?
Yeah. 30,000, so we're still a little short. We're coming back, though. I'm not trying to assault anyone. I'm the Emperor. What happens when we deal 6 of these statues? grind it a little more. For doing that. Oh, it's fine. Shard Reaper. Another new gun, which we can't get yet. Okay. Do that. And more ammo. And, more damage. That's fine. Sheesh. This guy has issues with even his own staff. Okay, there's a culprit up there. Okay, making this climb up here. There we go. There's all 6 of these. Tachyon's Trial of Terror. This path is crazy, but it could also be really, really difficult. But we're gonna go for it. I could use more bolts. Continuing on. Raritanium. Could definitely use that. Oh, I gotta go on the Ferris wheel. I do remember this path kind of being a pain in the ass first time around. Again, I was probably like 12 or 13, 14 when I first started doing that path for the first time. Ooh.
You have discovered another piece of the Gadgetron holoplan.
Holoplan. That's nice. Holoplan. Okay. I got more Raritanium. That's awesome. Jackpot. Whoa. Time it. Watch out for all the electrical bullshit. They're onto us. Better keep moving. And right there. Jackpot. Oops. Yeah! 27,000 bolts. Okay. I really got to the thing where I need armor. Don't worry, I'm going to show off the tornado launcher. Fucked with the wrong person, bro. Alright, let's keep moving. This guy's a fucking psycho. Oh, shit. Okay. And there we go. Charge boots. That'll be useful. Hold tab R2. Kill the enemies. That's good. Almost had them all, but almost had it all, but ended up just short. Yeah, still a little short. So what I'm going to do is
Attention troopers. The renegade law max must not desecrate the sanctity of the Imperial Fight Festival. Wonderful confidence that you'll
yeah, this weapon is nuts. Okay. Oh, I got him. Okay. Now we need to upgrade my armor. Don't worry, I'm gonna continue on, no problem.
I would like to share with you
Sir?
Yeah.
Rebel approved.
Along shall die, a fiery awful death.
Now the armor upgraded, I'm not.
It's been a privilege, sir.
Oh yeah. Here we go. It's useful. Okay. Just had to. For some reason, I don't know why, I just can't help but see them people suffer. That's some sick son of a bitch. Ooh, this weapon can be really useful. Of course, spell is in another video. Oh, they do serious damage. These enemies do serious damage. I forgot about these guys doing serious damage. I think this is probably the first area where I start dying a lot. Come on. I totally had him. Good. Oh, can't aim the wrench up. That's stupid. Okay, need another 35,000 bolts for the next weapon. Yeah, if I've forgotten to mention that weapons are fucking expensive in this game. If I hadn't, then, well, here you go, I guess. Alright. Go down. Bitch, take that, you little bitches. Okay. Gonna need more damage. Bigger area for this one. Okay. Haven't found a gold bolt yet. Take this. Level 2 tornado launcher. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Huh. Another gadget I can't have yet. Can't leave any witnesses, I'm afraid. Well, oh, I do need another gadget. Huh. Well, we'll come back here. I'm gonna probably come back here anyway, because I think there's another skill point. A lot of skill points here. I'll probably get a couple, then I'll be on my merry little way. Man, these big guys take a lot of XP. Weapon XP. I like that. Trying to be sneaky, eh? I don't think so. Close to a weapon upgrade. That's some good news. Bitch, please, you didn't stand a chance. Yeah, I think you're all big and bad. You ain't bad. How about that? I don't think I got the flying guy yet.
Alright, Ratchet. We configured the teleporter pad to auto-equip your disguise. It's the latest in nanomolecular facial reconfiguration, so you should be safe.
Thank you, Pork. We're gonna need it.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
And if I end up getting enough bolts by the time I finish all the challenges once, then I'll probably do the challenge 3 times each, and just go on from there.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming our guest of honor, your Cragmite Overlord and my new best friend, Emperor Tachyon.
That was convincing. Okay. Ooh, these fucking squid-looking things. Let's start indeed. I guess the weapons don't upgrade in the arena battles. I've forgotten about that. That is stupid. That's fucking gay. They did the same thing in Going Commando and Up the Arsenal. Or the weapon takes a million years to upgrade. Why the hell would they do that? I don't even know why. It's so stupid. Oh, another enemy we haven't seen yet. Using the Grootron as a distraction for these guys. Why does it keep firing the other way? Why? Come on.
Tonight's musical act, Comet and the Horn Tales, is brought to you by the new Clank energy drink. Now fortified with 100% more wholesome.
What? You know what? That's plain old bullshit. Bitch. What is up with the aiming with this weapon? Come on. I totally had it straight. Are you serious right now? And the arena seems to offer less now. I thought I'd just have more. I guess not. There we go. Thank you. Oh boy. Whoa. He has a gun implanted in him? No fair. Here, dude. tries to suck you in. Oh! I just don't have a lot of really good weapons right now. That'll probably change though. No motherfucker, you're not getting me. And I won the helipods. Nice. And I'll show off every challenge we got so far once, and when we come back here, same deal.
Do you mind telling us what you're doing working for Tachyon?
Oh, just a little thing I like to call saving the universe.
More like kissing Tachyon's ass.
There I was, surrounded by Tachyon's minions, perched on the brink of certain death, staring into the icy precipice of the inevitable. I knew I had to take action. I engaged my foes, channeling days of kung fu classes, and dispatching my crouching kitten style with lethal precision. But alas, these rock-hard pecs and unbridled machismo can only hold out for so long. After destroying 2,000 of them, a lucky shot rendered me unconscious. For the safety of the good citizens of Kurwan, I swore allegiance to Tachyon's army and became his confidant.
Literally kissing his ass.
Which means you used your powers as a world-class suck-up to save your own hide.
Exactly.
Column A, little column B.
There's no in-between, Quark.
Explain everything. Yeah, the optical relay is damaged, but maybe you can find a ship.
Again, you might...
Great. Quit messing around and get over here. I have boils that require lancing.
Oh, my God. Yeah, it's freezing a little bit on some of them. I've had this disc for a long-ass time. It's okay. Got... Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more challenges. 6 challenges. Not very many. That's fine. Oh, I guess I could just start the challenge and it'll just refill all my ammo automatically. Like it did up your arsenal. Why did I waste all those bolts? Okay. Deadlines are brutal. Emperor Tachyon demands efficiency. Defeat all the gladiators before time runs out. 2 minutes, that's nothing. Although, I'm not going to be able to really do very well with the tornado launcher. I might need... This may be a job for the fusion grenade. Let me see. Oh, well, that's actually leveled up pretty good. Or Plasma Beast might do too. Probably gonna put a bunch of these little guys here. Especially for these big blue guys here. Yeah, bomb guys I can get with the combustor. What? What the hell is that? Okay. And if I need to go back in a certain area at this level, I'll probably do that off camera as well. There we go. 4,000 bolts. Awesome. Okay. Flaming Cragmite. Defeat hordes of gladiators without feeling the wrath of the Emperor's fiery glare. Oh, the fiery statues. Oh, brilliant. fire statues are here. And I might end up getting a lot of weapons at once later on in the game because, again, weapons are pretty damn expensive in this game. And a lot of these weapons will pack a punch and be useful against a lot of the harder enemies here. You're not worth shit. Old school. No, just do my job. Nothing more, nothing less. I just do my part. Nothing more, nothing less. Out of ammo. Alright. Sweet. Now I can get that next weapon. Shard Reaper. Why I say Reacher? Why did I say Reacher? Okay, the lightning round. Eliminate all enemies using your trusty shock ravager. Oh, that's gonna be easy. That's gonna be easy. Should be. Hopefully. Fucking reach. Get a good cascade on these guys. Come on, you little bitches. That armor upgrade proved to be pretty fucking useless. Probably would stand more damage, but it feels like I'm getting more damage done to me than the other way around. It's crazy, but whatever. Okay. Smackdown at the Disco. Use only your Omni Wrench to fight off these rhythmically challenged gladiators. Oh my god, I'm tongue-tied. Ooh, this might be tough. Oh, my cousin. Get your ass back, that bitch. And I remember the blue guys being really goddamn difficult. And I remember the wrench ones being pretty goddamn... wrench challenges being pretty goddamn difficult in this game. Because the wrench does fuck all for damage in this game. And the enemies here are annoying as hell. I still prefer going commando and up your arsenals arena battles compared to this. I don't think it refills the devices, does it? I may be wrong, but we'll see. Okay, the return of Crushdo. Defeat Crushdo in under a minute. Can you crush Crushdo in under a minute? Well, let's see. This is where the Plasma Beasts will come to play. And the Predator Launcher. Well, I don't think I've upgraded my fusion bomb grenade very much, so it's gonna do fuck all for damage. Let's see how this weapon does. This doesn't seem too bad. Oh, cool. Did the job. Alright. That one wasn't so hard. Get your dang hands off. Defeat all the gladiators without taking damage. Oh god, this one. This is probably the most. This is probably the most difficult. No damage challenge in the whole series, because it's actually pretty damn difficult getting no damage at all in this game. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Bitch. Oh, this weapon's pretty useful. Back up. Back the fuck up. Too easy. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was Going Commando that had the hardest one. Alright, so I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do these challenges about 2-3 times, and I'll be right back with y'all. Other than that, that should be it. We're gonna be viewing the next area. Other than that, that'll be it for right now. See y'all in a minute.